Welcome back, guys, to another video, and today we're going to show you step by step how you can install MetaMask on your computer and also how to install MetaMask on your mobile devices. So if that's interesting for you, then stay tuned. All right, let's dive into our computer here on the left side, and for this purpose we're going to use the Chrome browser on our computer because it's a very popular browser many people use. And all we have to do is go to the Chrome web browser store. You can find that if you are in the settings section and then extensions, and then click visit Chrome web store. Then you will land on the same page I am right now. And on the top, you will search for MetaMask and make sure to download the correct app. So there will be an app with a blue check mark, shows it's a verified developer. And then you will see a lot of reviews. So we see 5,500 reviews with 14 million users. So that looks like the correct app, and we're ready to install that. Simply click add to Chrome and it will add to our web browser. Once the application is installed and downloaded, then we will be welcomed by the welcoming page of MetaMask, and we can hit get started, have to agree to the terms of use and just skip the reading. Click agree, and then we have the option to create a new wallet or import a secret recovery phrase in case we have already a MetaMask wallet or a different wallet and want to import it into MetaMask. Since this is a very beginner guide, we're gonna create a new wallet since we haven't used MetaMask yet. Click create wallet, and we have to create a password to log in into the web application. This is just like the computer password you have to use to unlock your screen. Same way it works for this. If you lose this password, you cannot reset it. So make sure you remember your password. And yeah, it confirms you if I forget this password, MetaMask cannot recover it, create a password. And then this one is very important. Click on get started. Do not click on remind me later. This is your secret recovery phrase. So those 12 words will help you restore your wallet in MetaMask or any other application. So this is crucial to keep this safe. Make sure to write it down on a piece of paper and don't store it necessarily digitally because hackers look for that. I'm gonna do it just for testing right now. And once you click continue, it will ask you for the positions of the key. So make sure that you actually wrote it down. Once you selected the words and click continue, it will tell you perfect, that was right. And remember, never share the phrase with anyone ever. Got it. They want to collect some analytics data. I don't like that. So I click no, thank you. And we are pretty much done with our MetaMask wallet, at least with the installation. Now, I don't like this view. I prefer the view up here. If you have the extension, you can pin it, and then you have the view up here. It will tell us Solana is now supported. We don't need that right now. And this is how MetaMask usually looks like. So if we open the web extension, then we can see our browser. It's a lot of information right now. It tells you all the different news, what's happening with MetaMask. Some of them you can X out, some of them are there forever. And we have different options. We can buy and sell crypto directly in MetaMask with our credit card. You will probably have to KYC, so know your customer. You have to verify probably your ID. Then we have the option to swap tokens, means trade tokens to different currencies. Then we have the option to bridge to different networks. So on the left side here, you will see we are in the Ethereum main network right now, but there's also Linea, there's Base, there's Solana, there's Arbitrum, which we can add. There's the Binance Smart Chain, OP mainnet, and so on and so forth. And also there's some custom RPC, which you can add as well. Like there's some other networks. So if you're curious about that, you can check out the video description. We have a blog about different RPCs which you can add. It looks like this. You have to type in specific things to use the network, but that's too advanced for now. We want to check out how we can actually receive crypto, how we can send some crypto, and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. On top here, you will find your crypto wallet address on the Ethereum network. If you click that, you will copy that. you need this to receive funds, or you simply click receive and then you will see the same thing. You will just simply click copy address and then you get the same one I just copied on top. Some exchanges let you use the QR code with your phone. So if you have the crypto exchange on your phone and you want to make the transaction to the wallet, transfer funds to it, then you can actually scan it with your QR code, and then it will like pre-fill the wallet address into it already for you, so you don't make any mistake by typing. But since we're here on the computer, I would just copy the address and then go to my Phantom wallet, for example. I have to type in my password, and once I am in, I have some Ethereum in this wallet. Then I simply click Ethereum, click on send, put in the wallet address, and then I'll send like 0.1 Ethereum to it. I'll say 0.5, well, maybe a little lower. All right, $150. I'm gonna send. I click next, and then it confirms if I really want to send to this address, and it will be around 80 cents in fees. I confirm that, send it to the MetaMask address. The Ethereum blockchain isn't as fast as the Solana blockchain, for example. Therefore, we have to wait a little bit until the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. As you see, it took about 20 seconds. Now we are done. We can see that in our history that we sent 0.05 Ethereum to this address. And if we open up MetaMask, then we can see, okay, we have $150 worth of Ethereum in our MetaMask account. From here on, we can swap it to any other currency. For example, we could swap 0.05 Ethereum into, let's see, 142 USDC. And then if we would like to do that, then it will swap the tokens. Once done, we will see, okay, we have $143 in our account, and the swap was successful. In the activity tab, you also can see, okay, we swapped Ethereum to USDC. And if you would like to send this, then simply click send. Then we need the other account address where we want to send it to. So we go to Ethereum, copy the address, go to MetaMask, click send, enter the address, and we would like to send some Ethereum. We would like to send the USDC to this address. Then see the maximum amount. We don't have enough money for the transaction, so we're gonna send some more money to this account one more time to have some money for the gas, and then we'll be able to move the USDC from one wallet to another one. And in the same way it works if you want to send funds to the exchange and vice versa. So now we have the option to send. To this address. Click send. Select USDC. Choose the maximum. Click continue, and then confirm. Okay, it will be around $2 to send it. Hit confirm, and the transaction was submitted. It works very similar on the phone as well. So if you have downloaded the MetaMask app from the App Store, for example, this is an iPhone from the App Store, then we simply hit MetaMask, and when you open MetaMask for the very first time, it will greet you in the same way it did on the web application. So for now, it's in German because my phone is in German, but we simply do the same things as we did on the web application. You will have the option to create a new wallet or import an old wallet. So if you have written down the 12 words from your web application, you can enter it in here using secret recovery phrase. And then if you type it in, it will let you type in all the 12 words, and then you will have the same wallet on your phone than on the computer. But in our case, we just create a new wallet for the sake of this, to make it quick, to just show you that the application looks exactly the same way like it looks on a computer. And once we have done that, then we are ready to go. We have to get the 12 words of the secret recovery phrase as well. Once we have entered our password, we will see our 12 words. And once done, we simply click next. They want to make sure we have written them down. Actually have now the right combination, and yeah, it confirms, all right, you wrote the words down. Now we are safe to go. We got it. We don't want to share data with them. We hit confirm, and then we'll see, okay, the wallet looks exactly the same or very similar to one in the web application. On the left side on top, you have the option to choose from different networks you're using. Then on the bottom side, you have the transaction history. On the bottom middle, you can buy crypto, sell crypto, make a trade, make a bridge to a different network. You can send away crypto, you can receive crypto. Then on the navigation symbol, you will see some information from MetaMask, what's trending right now, which coins are performing well right now. And then on the right side, you will see some settings. So as you see, it is exactly the same as the web application. Now that you know how to install MetaMask on your computer and also on the mobile device, you might want to track your portfolio in one place. And CoinTracking is the perfect application to do that, because if you copy your wallet address, then you can insert that into CoinTracking and then make a lot of different reports on how your trading behavior is performing. Also, if you have a lot of different wallets, and you can see everything in one place and much more. So to do that, you simply go to your account. In the dashboard, you can see all the different numbers about your trading behavior. But if you want to import MetaMask, then you cannot import a CSV file or Excel file because MetaMask does not provide that. But with the Ethereum address, which we just copied on top here, you can simply copy that and then use the CoinTracking blockchain importer of Ethereum. And by that, you can automatically pull all the transactions you make in MetaMask and put them into CoinTracking. This is very, very handy. In the first line, we just put in the Ethereum address. It's in German right now, so I'll switch it to English. You put in the Ethereum address, and then please label your wallets you add, because it will save you so much headache later on for crypto taxes. We just put in Ethereum 1 because it's our first Ethereum address. Then we put in MetaMask and hit import all Ethereum transactions and activate the job. Now we have to give CoinTracking a few seconds to create the API job, and we'll see in big green that the job has been created, and now the automation works. Now, whatever you're doing with your MetaMask, it will automatically get imported into CoinTracking, and you don't have to worry about that. Here in the report section, you can do a lot of different things. Look at balance by exchange. You can take a look on your realized and unrealized gains, tax privileged coins, and much more. Make sure to also check regularly all the checks to avoid any mistakes or errors for your tax report. And only if you have done all the checks, then go to tax report, and you can generate your crypto tax report at ease. It's very easy. All you have to do is select your country. So let's say the United States, and here, United States. And once you selected your country, the settings are pre-selected from us. So the recommended settings for your country, you don't have to change anything unless you talked with your CPA about that you have some special exemptions. And then you simply click generate a new tax report now. Within seconds, we have our generated tax report for 2024. And if we click load report, we will see more numbers about our capital gain and losses and everything else we might need to know. If you want to scroll down and have even more information about income, fee report, lost and stolen report, and more, you can do that. Or simply download your tax report, and then you will have the option to download it as PDF or Excel spreadsheet. I hope this video was helpful to you to find out how to install the MetaMask app on your computer or on the mobile device if you're on the go and you want to receive crypto, send crypto, trade crypto. You can do that all with MetaMask. Also, we have learned how to integrate the MetaMask wallet address into CoinTracking, so we can do later on portfolio tracking, the crypto taxes, and much more. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. We will answer happily every single question. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.